ColdBlock digestion is a patented technology, and it uses shortwave infrared radiation that heats sample particles, and we use a cooling block that creates a condensation effect. Our technology is used by laboratories that serve multiple large industries worldwide. We can eliminate the need to use dangerous reagents as part of the sample digestion process when you're dissolving solid materials. This balance of heating and cooling is setting a new performance standard in sample digestion. Reliable shipping is critical to our business.
We use FedEx's online tools, such as the FedEx Ship Manager. What makes FedEx so easy to deal with are ultimately the people that we have been working with. When we were looking for a shipper, we encountered many. However, with FedEx, everything seemed to just flow very easily, very reliably. Everybody was always present to handle any and other problems that we either encountered or questions that we had. We sell a range of products in the form of digesters. They're usually shipped via freight because it makes more sense financially since it's only one box, and logistically. For everything else, we utilize FedEx's excellent small parcel shipping routes because not only will they get there in time and on time, but also reliably since we're shipping primarily glass.
Our customers are global. We have sold to Bolivia, Chile, the United States, Canada, Southeast Asia, South Africa, as well as Europe and parts of Russia.
It is very important for us to make a good first impression. With FedEx's help and their excellent shipping services, we know that our products will arrive undamaged, unbroken, and on time.
We knew that by choosing FedEx, we wouldn't be let down.